So we didn't take you all the way around with us. We will do the steps and the step-by-step instruction. But here's the room that we started on. Needs trim, which I don't have done yet. I haven't been approved to do it, but it's much lighter colored, much easier to clean, and therefore harder to get ruined by renters. So I'll show you, we did this, and we cleared out the carpet and did this and connected it all together. And we're going into the bathroom. Tomorrow we'll show you when we go through this, where a toilet messed up the floor. And we'll rebuild the floor and then bring this flooring in here. And away we go. See you tomorrow.